In this video, I will solve this circuit in order to find its initial the transfer function. So we have to assume that the initial conditions here are 0, and since I want the transfer function h of s, as you can see here, we need to take the circuit to the s domain. So I will be able to find h of s. Again, it is assumed that the initial conditions are equal to 0. So what I only have to do is to transfer the circuit to the S domain. So we know that L will be SL in the S domain and C will be 1 over SC. So my L is 1 Henry, so I'm going to have S as the impedance of the inductance, and 1 over SC would be 1 over S over 10, and that will be 10 over S. So here, what I have to do, I can substitute my inductance by S and my capacitor by 10 over S. So the only thing that I have to do is to find the relationship between VO and VS, which is my source voltage, in order to find the transfer function. So what I will do, I will define my currents here, and I will write a simple KCL at node VO. So at node VO, I can see that I have KVS minus VO over 2 plus S entering the node, the current that is entering the node. Then I have two other currents that are leaving the node, which are VO over 4 plus VO over 10 over S. And then here I will keep VS on one side and the left side, and I will take VO to the right side so I can have all VOs on one side. So I have VO over 4 plus S over 10 VO plus 1 over 2 plus S VO. Then here I'm going to have K over 2 plus S VS. That will be equal to, so I'll factor out VO, and I'm going to have 1 over 4 plus S over 10 plus 1 over 2 plus S. Then I will take the common denominator inside this parenthesis. I'm going to have 20 multiplied by 2 plus S. So I will have 5 multiplied by 2 plus S for the first term. For the second one, I will have 2S, S plus 2. And for the third term, I will have a 20. All right, so here what I have is K over 2 plus S V of S. That is equal to 10 plus 5S plus 2S squared plus 4S plus 20 over 20 multiplied by S plus 2. So these two will be canceled. Oh, and I forgot a VO over here. So KVS will be equal to, I have 2S squared plus 9S plus 30. All of these over 20 VO. So on the left hand side of my equation, I have VS, and on the right hand side, I have VO. So I can easily find the relationship between, actually the ratio of VO to VS, which will be my transfer function. And that would be equal to 20K over 2S squared plus 9S plus 30. All right, so this would be my transfer function. So when I have a circuit in the time domain and I need to write the transfer function of that circuit, first of all, I have to transfer my circuit to the S domain, and I have to be careful about the initial conditions of the capacitor and inductor, in which in this question we didn't have any initial conditions. All right, so if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.